In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in DocuSign. Let's dive right into it. First off, it's important to ensure you're on the right platform. Make sure you're logged into your DocuSign account and are ready to edit a document. This is where you can make all the necessary modifications and add your signature. Now, once you're in the editing file screen, you'll want to locate where you'll be adding the signature. If you see a placeholder or a section designated for a signature, head over to it. Click on the signature space, and this will give you an immediate option to make changes or add a new signature. The interface is quite user-friendly, so you'll see a change option appear once you click on the current signature. Next, after clicking Change, you will see an option to add a new signature. DocuSign gives you the flexibility to select how you'd like to create your signature. You have three main options here. You can choose to use an electronic signature, which allows DocuSign to create a digital signature for you automatically. Alternatively, if you want something a bit more personalized, you can opt to draw your signature. This option requires you to use your mouse or a stylus on a touch-enabled device to draw your signature. Lastly, if you already have a preferred signature saved as an image file on your computer, you can upload this file directly. Once you've made your decision, all you have to do is click to apply it. Hit Adopt and Sign, which confirms the signature as your own. At this point, it will be placed into the document exactly where you've previously specified. This signature will now be your default signature, making it even easier for you to sign any future documents. Moreover, if at any point you need to update or change this signature, DocuSign makes that easy as well. Simply head over to your profile section where you'll find a specific section dedicated to signatures. Here, you can manage your existing signatures or add new ones should your needs change. And there you have it. The process is straightforward and allows you to tailor your signing experience in a manner that best suits your preference. Taking the time to customize your signature in DocuSign can really streamline your document signing process by ensuring it is as efficient and personalized as possible. Whether you choose to use a pre-generated electronic signature, draw it by hand, or upload an image of your own, the choice is yours. Thanks for watching, and happy signing!